Hello everyone, Bond Kellum here again with another product review. Today I bring you the NPET G10 keyboard, which is currently the cheapest RGB keyboard on Amazon. This thing only cost me $15. Now, I bought this because I'm kind of curious to see if it compares anywhere close to my $50 RGB keyboard, and if not, if it's even worth the $15. So without further ado, let's go ahead and open this up. Nothing else in there. Set that box aside. Here it is. So my first impression is, it is extraordinarily small. This is a very small keyboard. The bottom keyboard is my regular daily keyboard, and it's already pretty small. This, I would say, is more along the lines of a laptop keyboard. So let's go ahead and power this thing up. I'll just go ahead and plug it into my computer up here, and there we go. We have magic. Wow. It looks very impressive for 15 bucks. My only initial observation that would be negative is the lights are a little bit dim, but otherwise it looks great. It looks fantastic. Okay, so I just spent the last couple minutes typing on this keyboard, and it didn't miss a single letter. So the keys are plenty sensitive, but they're not oversensitive. This laptop in particular has a keyboard built into it that in my opinion is way oversensitive, and a lot of people really don't take that into consideration. Keyboards can be not sensitive enough, and they can be way oversensitive. Overall, this keyboard is definitely worth 15 bucks. Would it be my first choice if I had more than 15 bucks? No. It is pretty small. I mean, the keys sizes are a little bit smaller than a normal keyboard, and it's missing a number pad. But that is really my only complaints about this. Even so, I would probably get used to it after a couple days of typing. So would I recommend this keyboard? 100% yes, I would. It is well worth the money for 15 bucks. If I had to put a price on this, and kind of guess as to where it would be price-wise, I would say $30 or $40. The keyboard is a membrane keyboard and not a mechanical keyboard, but the feel of it is still nice, and it still has, it's not like super clicky, but it's pretty clicky. But overall, this does get my recommendation, and this should definitely be a consideration in your budget PC build if you are looking for an RGB keyboard. It'd go perfectly with my $300 PC. Anyways, that's it for today, guys. I hope you guys enjoyed this review. If you did, be sure to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to this channel for more videos like this. I'm a new and upcoming tech channel, so every subscription helps. But that's it for today. I hope you guys have a good rest of your week, and I'll see you guys in the next video.